Hello, we continue to sew a snowsuit. In this video we will look at the connection shell and lining. Stitch side seams lining. Stitch bottom seam of pant. Do not forget to leave a hole in one leg for turning out. Sew the back of the pants. Sew the back of the pants to the back. Stitch side seams. Stitch bottom seam of pant. Stitch seams of sleeves. Turn the sleeves to the right side and sew, aligning the marks. Do the same with lining. Then you need to make the cuffs of the sleeves. For this we need an elastic band 1 inch wide, or 2.5 centimeters. The length of the elastic depends on its quality and how narrow you want the cuffs. In this case, I took 2/3 of the length of the fabric for the cuff. Sew cuffs and elastic bands into it. Insert the elastic into the cuff and stitch as close to the elastic as possible using the zipper foot. Top stitch the cuff. Insert the cuffs into the sleeves and sew. Align the sleeves with the lining face to face. Align the seams of the sleeves. And sew. Now you need to make the bottom of the pant. Sew the Velcro holder to the insulated part. Velcro holders should be mirrored. Now you need to sew on the zipper. The length of the zipper should be selected based on the actual length of the part. Now sew on the flap. The lower part of the part is sewn to the upper one. Lay the seam along the zipper sewing line. Insert runner and zip. Fold the flap in half and bend to the side opposite to the Velcro holder. Pave a reinforcement stitch on the sewing machine. Now you need to sew on the soft part of the Velcro, but it will be longer than stiff. Each piece will be 10 centimeters or 4 inches long. Now you need to make snow protection. To do this, cut 4 parts of the lining and 4 parts of the shell. And of course 2 snow cuffs. Lining allowances should be duplicated. Sew in pairs along the side seams of the lining and details of shell. Sew cuffs into a ring. Process the cuffs of the snow protection as well as the cuffs of the sleeves. Turn the lining to the front side and sew the cuff between the lining and shell. The cuff must be inserted from the wide side of the snow protector. Insert snow protectors into the lower parts of the pants and fasten with a stitch on the sewing machine. Insert the resulting parts into the legs. In this case, the zipper must be combined with the outer side seam of the pants. Connect the trousers with the lining as well as the sleeves. Be sure to combine the seams. Insert the collar inside and, according to the allowance for the seam of the neck and collar, sew a line on the sewing machine. The stitching should go a little further than the shoulder seams, but not reach the zipper. The centers of the back and the shoulder seams must be combined. Put bar tacks in the middle of the pants and in the lower parts of the armholes. Turn the snowsuit through the hole in the leg. It remains only to sew up the hole, unbutton the hood, and go for a walk. I remind you that you can find a link to the buy raku in the description under the video.